So guys, how cute is this bag? I just love it. Now you can see here's the garlic from my kitchen. I got 4 heads of garlic here and several cloves. And you can see I kind of did a no-no, put them in this plastic zip bag where your garlic is not going to last as long. But I really, wanted to be able to keep all of this together so it's not kind of making a mess. So that's why I wanted one of these little bags. So let's just check out this little bag here. Let's remove the tag really quickly. Probably should have grabbed some scissors. But how cute is that? So here it opens here at the top, and it has a little drawstring closure. And then it also has this little side zip, kind of easy access here in the side, to grab some of those garlic cloves at the bottom. But you can easily place several heads of garlic inside the bag. Hey guys, if you're liking this video so far, give it a thumbs up. So how super cute is this garlic bag? I love it just sitting here on top of my produce stand in the kitchen. The bag will keep it protected from the light, and of course it's fabric and breathable, and I can easily unzip the side here and grab out a clove. I love it. Hey guys, it's Stacy here. Welcome back to my channel. Now today I want to talk about garlic storage. The inspiration for this video is this garlic storage bag that I found at my local grocery store. I thought it was super cute but practical, and this is going to work out great for me because if you're like me, I go to the grocery store, I buy several heads of garlic because I don't want to run out. I like to keep them on hand. I use a lot of garlic in my cooking, and so I don't want it to go bad though before I'm able to use it. So I need to make sure that I store it properly. And so it made me want to share with you the best way to store your garlic so that it'll last you for months. Now I know many of you may want to grow garlic in your garden, and so when you harvest that, you're going to have a lot of garlic that you need to store so that it lasts you for months. And if you store it properly, it can last 6 months or longer. So you may have several pounds of garlic and you don't want it to go bad. And so the first thing you want to remember is to keep your garlic in a cool, dark, dry place. And you want to store it in a breathable container, one that air can circulate. So you don't want to store it in some of these plastic containers with the lids that are airtight, or any of these plastic zip top bags. Those just trap in or seal in that moisture, and your garlic is going to mold. It's going to go bad quicker. So a breathable container would be something like these fabric bags, or they make some mesh bags to store your garlic in. Also, if you're storing a large amount of garlic, you may want to use, big large baskets or, some crates. Those have those holes where air can get in, they can circulate. You don't want your garlic to go bad at the bottom, down in the bottom of your baskets, your crates. And so you want that air to be able to circulate. Now it's okay if you want to do some prep ahead and go ahead and break up a head of garlic into those individual cloves, peel those, and go ahead and keep them in a plastic container or a plastic zip bag. That is fine. You can put it in the refrigerator and it'll keep for about 5 to 7 days. So you really just want to use that within the week. And so that kind of storage is not going to work long term. If you keep it in the refrigerator like that, already peeled, then it's going to start to turn to a yellow or a brown or have brown spots. It's starting to rot, and so that garlic will be bad. You don't want to use it. You want your garlic to be that nice kind of off-white color. Now, if you notice that your garlic, when you cut into it, it has some of that green in the center, and you know, that just tells you that your garlic is getting old. It's actually trying to sprout. And so there's really nothing wrong with it. It's just getting old, and so you want to go ahead and try to use that up. But the taste may be a little off, it may be a little bitter, but it's not going to hurt you to eat it. Now, if you want to keep a small amount of garlic in your kitchen like I do, you want to keep it in something like this. And actually, after purchasing this, I went home, got on Amazon, and I found similar products like this and some for a really great deal. And I'll put links in the video description below if you want to check those out. Now, if you store it in something like this in your kitchen, you want to keep it in a cooler part of your kitchen. You don't want it around any of your appliances because garlic doesn't like heat or light, and having it near your stove, your oven, you know, your appliances that put out that heat is going to make your garlic spoil quicker. So if you have a cabinet that's in a cooler part of your kitchen, you can place your garlic there, or maybe in a cooler pantry area. That would be great. Now, if you're storing large amounts of garlic in large baskets or crates, maybe in a basement would be better. And then you can just, you know, take a few cloves out, bring it to the kitchen and store it in something smaller like this, or in maybe a basket or one of the mesh bags. Now, if you don't have any of this, you know, you could possibly store it in a paper bag. That's another option. Now, if you're someone that likes to freeze things, you know, you can freeze garlic and it will last you a long time. You know, just remember the best way to store your garlic is to keep it cool, keep it dry, and keep it out of light, and it's going to last you for a very long time. So guys, if you enjoyed this video and it was helpful to you, I hope you will subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down in the comment section below. I love to read your comments. Let us know if there's other ways that you store your garlic, things that I did not mention. I would love to hear about it. And you can watch more of my videos here on my channel. You can click here now, and I'll see you later. Bye.